Stiff wear, stiff wear. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to be installing this unit from RPG Hair, and it does come with the natural edges. Now these edges are a little bit different than the natural edges that I've seen before because they haven't been like cut like baby hair. They are shorter than the rest of the hair on the unit, where this is a Yaki unit. The edges may be a little bit more towards the kinky straight texture. So I have a lunch date with my son, so I decided I wanted to rock the new. Let's go ahead and install this unit real quickly. I'm gonna let you guys see what the hairline looks like on before it's glued down. Actually, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna glue it down, but as you guys can see, it is pre-plucked. Let me show you guys the parting space. So you're going to be able to part it on both sides if you want to go for a left or a side part. And of course, you could part it down the middle. Now, you guys already know me. I'm not big on rocking a ball cap. So I'm going to go ahead and do this install with simply wearing my stocking cap. However, the elastic band, it came in a packet and it wasn't actually installed in the unit. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that before I lay it down, just because I do like to have that elastic band in the back, because I typically clip the comb in the back underneath my elastic band to help me get more security in the back. Okay, got that nice and snug. Now it's fitting really good. So if you did decide that you wanted to rock your unit glueless, by all means you can. Let me cut the lace off first and decide. Now that we have the edges secured, let's go ahead and cut this lace. I can see that it is a little lighter than my complexion, so I am going to apply some of my concealer just strictly to the front of the inside of the unit. I can get a little bit of these edges. I do like to take off as much of the lace as possible. The less lace you have left on your unit, the less you have to camouflage. Remember that. I'm going to go for a glueless-ish install, which means I'm going to add some mousse to the front of my hairline, but I am going to conceal these edges using my Ebin New York Lace Spray Duo, because yeah, I just don't like when the edges aren't laid down. I know you guys are like obsessed with wearing glueless units, but honestly, if you install your unit correctly, none of this should be getting on your hair, which means that you should be good, okay? But of course, if you want to do 100% glueless, by all means, knock yourself out. Since I am only gluing down the edges, let me go ahead and clean this area over here just to make sure it doesn't have any makeup. This spray is way too messy, so I now just spray it on my hand instead of spraying it directly onto my skin. Let's apply some mousse to this hairline and let's look and see how these natural edges are gonna lay. First, I will be doing a basic bob style on this unit. However, stay tuned because I will be showing alternative ways of styling your short bobs so you can get the most use out of your unit. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bump the ends ever so slightly. You guys know I don't like my ends bumped too much, just a slight bump, bitty bump. Just combing it up a little bit so it's not so pasted down on my forehead. And actually, I want to cut these a little. Let's go ahead and bump this slightly, ever so slightly. And just like that, she's ready. These are one of those throw on and go about your business type of units. Now, We all know bobs are year round. I rock my bob year round. I don't know about you. Okay, dolls, as promised, here are alternative ways of styling your short bobs. I experimented with doing the flip over method on this unit the next day, and I also played with how I laid the baby hairs. I prefer this install better as it gave a more natural look in my opinion. The next style I'll be showing you is the half up, half down method, and I will be having some slight bang action going on in the front. Personally, I've never considered styling my 10-inch unit in this manner, but I realized that even though it's short, you still have some versatility in styling your units, which allows you to get more bang for your buck. In the comment section down below, voice off and let me know which style you like the best. Stay tuned for my final thoughts on this unit. But this is pretty much it. Even though this is a Yaki unit, you can see it does have some type of body. Look. Stiff wear, stiff wear. Okay, the bob is bobbing. Okay, you're gonna get some bob action going on. I'm gonna turn around so you guys could get a look at what it looks like from behind. And I ain't do too much like you saw. I just did a little bump over here in the front. And because I did lay down those edges, I can wear this behind my ear and rock it like this if I want to. I didn't cut the sideburns over here just because it's not showing. So why would I do that? Work smarter, not harder. Okay. And of course, she's still glueless on top. Yeah, girl, as I was saying, so this unit is from RPG Hair. I think this unit runs only around $120. I'm not really sure if they're going to be running any sale by the time this video airs. But if they do, I'll be sure and put the coupon code up on here. And as always, everything is going to be listed in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, guys, I'm going to need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful Fam, smash that subscribe button and join the family. I love to have you. And while you're at it, why don't you check out this video? You might enjoy it as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done.